In this video, you'll learn how to fix a payment failure issue on Wecasa. By following these steps, you can resolve the problem quickly and ensure your services continue without interruption. Start by logging into your customer area using either the Wecasa app or the website. If you are using the app, locate and tap the login button on the home screen. For the website, navigate to the login section, which is typically found in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials and proceed to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the option to manage your payment methods. This section may be labeled as payment methods or billing information. Select this option to view your current payment details. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add a new bank card to your account. To add a new card, click on the button that says Add New Card. A form will appear, prompting you to enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your card number, expiration date and CVV. After entering all necessary details, be sure to save the changes. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. The payment will automatically retry once you've added your new card. However, if the payment fails again, there are some common causes to consider. Banks may reject transactions for security reasons, such as potential fraud, or due to insufficient funds in your account. Additionally, your card may require validation. If you received an email from Wecasa regarding card validation, check your inbox for that message. If you received a failed pre-authorization email, open it and look for the option that says validate the bank pre-authorization. Tapping this link will allow you to choose which payment card you would like to use for the transaction. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process. If you continue to experience issues after these steps, it is advisable to contact your bank directly. They can verify whether they are blocking the pre-authorization for security reasons. If the payment failure is due to insufficient balance, consider adding funds to your account to resolve the issue. Once the new card is added, the payment will automatically retry. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.